also earn consistent income, diba? You will be rewarded here in our Rising Star quarterly incentive experience. Okay, hindi na lang siya yung mga pa one day. Kasi 'di ba, the past year and the past 3 quarters, 'di ba? So meron tayong nilaunch sa region na one day, no, pilot for a day, yung ating mga gourmet night, yacht party, no. So it's all happening simultaneously sa region ng Asia. Okay? And we would want to make sure na hindi mo bibitawan yung last quarter. Bakit? Again, it's very important for us to maintain momentum as we go to 2026. No, hindi na lang one day ang mga ibibigay natin. Definitely, no, you can win up until 3 days and 2 nights, no, doon lamang sa Paradise Island, no. Later I will share to you the destination, but again, no, all the travel incentives, all these experiences are icing on the cake, no. Again, the business, diba, requires you to really set your goals, not just on the price, no, but on the how you can get the price. And at the same time, diba, kapag ginawa mo to, again, if you are bago dito sa Yusana, okay, pwede kang magkaroon ng extra points if you achieve your pay setter within the quarter. Okay, later on I will explain more. Yan. If you are enrolling, no, that's the behavior that we want to reward, no, for you to enroll, hindi lang yung mag-manage ng team. 'Di ba? We want you to really grow your network, and by so doing, 'di ba, marami tayong mga OPP, no, yung opportunity meetings. We also have a lot of support like our Super Saturday. Grabe yung ating mga market development and yung ating mga marketing and pharmacist natin, no? Every week, alam nyo ba, no, yung buong September, ang dami lang naman natin, no, we have reached a total of 3,000, no, brand partners in doing all our events, no. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support, and we're going to continue doing that, no, until ma-reach natin yung desired nating growth. And of course, syempre, may paparating na naman tayong Paysetter Masterclass, no. So tamang-tama, habang niraran mo tong program na to, pwede ka rin, no, na maging Paysetter creator doon sa ating October 13, no, na Paysetter Masterclass. So, pinaplug ko lang. And then, syempre, isa sa mga bridge, no, sa ating roadmap is the Steadfast Builder, no. Baliwala yung one-time, big-time mong income kung hindi ka consistent, no. Remember, dito sa Usana, we start slow, no. Hindi naman yan biglang 1,000 CP agad in your first week. 'Di ba? You slowly build your income, but make sure you are consistent. Ayan, so we are going to also reward those who are the steadfast builder. No, hindi na lang yan recognition. 'Di ba? Pwede ka pang mag-travel dito sa Rising Star Experience. So are you ready, guys? Type ready sa ating chat box para malaman nyo na kung saan na tayo pupunta, guys. Grabe, kahit ako, no, pa 400 na yung mga ano natin, yung mga attendees natin. So, eto na. Okay. Dito lang naman tayo pupunta, no, sa Henan Properties in Boracay. Kaya ako sinasabing properties, baka hindi tayo kasya sa isang hotel, no? So talagang kailangan, kinausap namin yung Henan, and they are willing to accommodate us, no, doon sa kanilang mga ibang properties. So yes, it's Bora this coming May 2026. Diba? Bakit naman tayo pupunta lang, no, sa mga pa-hotel-hotel na yan kung pwede naman Boracay, no? Ganun ang level ng Yusana, guys. And syempre, bakit ka mag-i-stay ng overnight kung kaya mo namang gawin tong 3 days and 2 nights. Ayan. So, I'm sure excited na, no? Tama ba kayo? Excited na, no? Syempre, ang Henan Boracay, isa lang naman sa mga magagandang hotel, no? But definitely, bakit Boracay? Kasi marami kang pwedeng gawin doon, no? Malapit siya sa Visayas, pwede kayo mag-abang ng mga fare, no, para makapunta kayo sa Boracay, and destination din to ng marami, no, tourist destination din to. So, here's how you can be part of our quarterly Rising Star experience, okay? So, we have two waves, okay? Wave 1 and wave 2. Ito na naman tayo, guys, no? Parang yung family incentive. Pero, ito mas pinaganda, okay? Wave 1, no? Ang trip natin will be sa Henan, Boracay. So this is going to be on May 2026. No, meron na tayong dates. We're just firming up. Pero we will be confirming no the dates para makapag-book na rin kayo ng airfare kasi dito sa travel incentive na to, lahat kasama except airfare. Okay? Kaya ba? Kaya ba tayong pumuntang Boracay, no? Para sa 3 days, 2 nights? Ayan, yes. Okay, kaya. Kayang-kaya. Manina lang sa inyo kasi mamaya, pwede nyo pang ilibre yung airfare nyo sa totoo lang. 'Di ba? Kapag ka nalaman nyo mamaya paano. So, Wave 1, Henan, Boracay. So, 2 quarter ang tinitignan natin yan, no? When we say wave, it comprises of 2 quarters. So, nag-start na siya. Guys, right after cut-off last Saturday, nag-start na yung quarter 4 natin up until December 27. No? So that's quarter 4. And then another quarter is quarter 1 of 2026, which starts December 27, 3 p.m. up until March 28, 1:59 p.m. Okay, so malinaw tayo sa wave, no? So yung wave na yon, no, yung 2 quarter na yon ay para sa Henan, Boracay. Okay, ma'am, pwede pa naman pala next quarter na ako mag-umpisa. Oh, 'di ba? Pwede mo namang gawin 'yon. Kaso sayang, 'di ba? Kasi mamaya explain namin sa you can win up to 4 packs, no? Ang pwede mong dalin sa Boracay. So hindi mo 'yung magagawa kapag sa January ka pa nag-umpisa. Okay, bongga, 'di ba? And syempre, 'di ba? Kailangan nga natin yung fourth quarter, guys, eh. So dapat fourth quarter ka na. Yan. And then wave 2 is November 2026. So dalawa yung travel natin next year, isang May, isang November. Yun naman ay quarter 2, March 28 up until June 27. And then the quarter 3 is June 27 to September 26. Ma'am, paano yung wave 3? O, edi syempre, itutuloy mo lang. Wave 3, meron pa rin tayong wave 3, no? Quarter 4 and quarter 1 ng 2027. Okay, so, pero ito, focus lang muna tayo. Okay, focus lang muna tayo dito sa wave 1. Ayan, Boracay tayo dito, guys, Labor Day. Yan, sa May 2026. Okay, ayan. So, that's the qualification period. Ito na yung reward. Ayan, madam, mga madam, pamay na guys, no? You can earn up to 2 nights and 3 days hotel accommodation in Boracay. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is for the whole region, no? Pare-parehas yung ating mechanics, no? Dito lang po sa Pilipinas, pinaganda natin. Kasi sa totoong buhay, it's only 2 days and 1 night, no? Kapag na-reach mo yung mga mamaya sasabihin namin, pero bibigyan namin kayo ng chance, no, na mag 3 days, 2 nights kapag ka at least meron ka namang 6 out of 13 na income. Okay, hindi naman natin kailangan na sunod-sunurin yan, na dapat consecutive at hindi naman kailangan ganun kataas. So, any income, imagine mo ngayon mag-sponsor ka ng 200 points, may 20 CP ka, income yon. Okay, so pasok yon just by sponsoring, no? Bakit mo gagawin? Kaya kung ako sa inyo, hindi ko na nga ini-explain yung 2 days, 1 night. Okay. Yung tayo sa 3 days, 2 nights, earn at least 6 out of 13. Because ang totoong nagbibuild ng Usana, di ba, hindi lang yan one time ang income or 3 beses sa isang quarter. Isipin mo 3 buwan, tapos once a month ka lang umi-income, no? Dapat at least man lang 6 out of 13 weeks. Okay, hindi pwede ka mag 0 week. Okay, huwag niyo pong sabihin na no 0 week ka. Ang sa akin lang, no, at least may 6 times kang umincome sa 13 weeks. Clear? Okay, so gusto ko muna malaman kung clear ba tong wordings natin, no? Earn up to 3 nights and 2 days. Kapag naman hindi ka naka-earn, no, ng 6 times, so, nga sabihin, ma'am, kinapos 4 times lang ako umincome talaga. Sagad na yon. Okay, pwede ka pa rin naman sumama ka so overnight lang. Okay, so kung gusto mo mag-extend, it's really up to you. We can accommodate that. But, no, kasama ka pa rin sa travel. Okay. Next. So, yung 100 USD pocket money, eto naman doon sa mga ginalingan. So, hindi lang sila basta nag-earn ng 6 out of 13. No? Ginalingan nila sa 6 consecutive weeks. Nag $100 sila. May additional ka pang pocket money. Okay. So, kapag ka naman hindi mo yan na-hit, kasama ka pa rin sa trip. Okay. May pocket money ka nga lang kapag ka naka 6 out of consecutive weeks within that quarter na minimum of 100. Okay, clear? So, type ulit natin sa chat box kung clear. Grabe. O, di ba? Ang tatalino ng mga utak ng mga tao, nalaman na nila yung mga itatanong nila. Yes, kahit saan galing yung income, basta CP. Okay? Dapat lang po sa malinis galing yung income, ha? Dapat commission volume points. Okay, CP. Yan. And then, syempre, ang rewards pa, syempre may pa-team building tayo and networking session. So imagine Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, hindi lang po silver and below ang pwedeng sumali dito. In fact, the mentors. No, mamaya meron tayong Star Mentor Program. Kasali din kayo. Oh my God, no? Talagang gusto natin mag-travel ang buong Yusana, Philippines, no? Hindi lang yung mga bago, hindi lang yung mga silver and below, but of course, kahit gold and above, kasali din dito. Okay. Grabe. Ayan. So, para i-explain sa inyo yung mechanics, no, I'd like to call on our Market Development Manager for Luzon, Justin Bitancor. Hello, Justin. Ay, teka lang, hindi pa pala siya co-host. Teka lang, ayan. Okay, co-host ka na ba, Justin? Hindi pa rin. Make co-host. Teka, stop share ko na. Ayan. Ayan, co-host ka na ba, Justin?
Yes.
Ayan,
Hi,
take it away,
everyone.
Justin.
Good evening. Ayan, very excited ang ating mga brand partners ngayon. Isipin nyo, nag-umpisa tayo ng 200, ngayon magfo-400 na tayo. Ganon ka-excited, Ma'am Joyce, ang mga gustong pumunta talaga sa Boracay. So now, alamin naman natin kung paano pwede mag-qualify. So for the past few days, ang ating market development team, together with Visayas and Mindanao also, nirelay na namin to sa ating mga leaders. Kaya na-excite talaga sila. Kaya siguro na pack tayo tonight. But for you to understand it further officially, para sa ating mga silver directors and below, okay, you have two tiers or two trips na pwede nyong pasukan. So first one for the tier 1, it's reach 30 points. Okay, so magiging point system na siya. And then for the trip for 2 or tier 2, kailangan ma-achieve natin yung 50 points. So gaya nga ng sinabi ni Ma'am Joyce kanina, we have the opportunity not just to stay in Boracay kasi syempre ang ano naman nakakapagod naman yun. Babiyahe kayo ng isang araw tapos uuwi na kayo kinabukasan. Ang i-goal natin is to push forward for the 3 days, 2 nights, 'di ba? Na incentive. Okay? And you could earn as much as trip for 4. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin para to yung nakaraan nating family incentive in the 2 quarters. Kasi nakita nyo naman during the slide na pinakita yung qualification period, magkasama ang quarter 4 and yung quarter 1. So, i-add up kung ilan ang mga na-qualify mo for that, either tier 1 or tier 2. And then yun ang number na pwede nyong isama sa incentive na to. Okay, so I would like to specify again that yung 3 days, 2 nights natin is kailangan maka-earn lang kayo ng commission points in 6 weeks. Okay, so basta, ito lang ang mindset natin, dapat wala kayong 0 week. Okay, dapat meron kayong 6 weeks na meron kayong commission points. Okay, kahit man 20 yan, 30 yan, basta CP, okay, na 6 weeks, sure shot na 3 days, 2 nights ka na. Okay, so dapat hindi na natin iniisip ang 2 days, 1 night kasi napakapagod niyan. Hindi nyo mai-enjoy ang Boracay. So doon natin ipo-push forward ang 3 days, 2 nights. So next slide po. Ayan. So how could we achieve this? Okay, yung ating point system is for every pace setter status. Okay, so kunwari, 'di ba, ng mga nakaraang recognition natin yung mga milestone bonus 1, milestone bonus 2, kung ikaw ay ma-achieve mo yung pace setter status mo, 5 points ka na agad. Okay, yan ang leverage mo as a new brand partner na wala niyan sa ibang silver and below nakasama na or kahit pace setter status man lang sila. Okay, so these are just for new brand partners. So kung ikaw ay bago, patapos ng iyong pace setter run or nakakatapos lang nung or patapos ng pace setter run during the quarter, okay, meron ka na agad 5 points. Okay, next one naman is for every 500 CP, okay, cumulative earnings, maximum of 20 points. Okay, meron kang pwedeng makuha ng 5 points. So in short, for every 500 CP in total of the 13 weeks, kasi 'di ba yung quarter 4 natin ngayon, sabihin natin from September 27 up until December 27, i-add natin lahat ng CP ninyo. And for every 500 doon, 5 points. Okay, so maximum lang of 20 points ang pwede ninyong makuha. And ibig sabihin nito, hindi kailangan, ma'am, kailangan ba 500 ako 1 week? Kailangan ba may minimum ako for 1 week? Wala. Okay, so ito total siya. And then kung ilan man yung points na yun, yun yung ilan man yung CP nyo, yun yung bibilangin natin. So for example, ikaw ay nakapag 2,000. Okay, sige, tingnan natin kung nakikinig ba. Kung ikaw ay naka 2,000 by December 27, ilan ang points na makukuha mo? Sige, 20. Ay, nakikinig nga sila.
Ang
Parang
bilis,
very good ang
Justin,
lahat.
ang bilis, grabe.
Oo nga, parang excited na talaga mag-Boracay. So tama. Paano naman kung ang nakuha mo lang for this quarter 4 is 800? So ilan ang points na makukuha mo? 5. Ay, parang may nag-20. Ayan, 5. Okay, doon tayo sa 5 points. Okay, so kung ako sa inyo, dapat ang ginogol natin dyan, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Yan ang ginogol natin para mataas agad yung points natin. So isipin mo, kung ikaw ay bagong pace setter, okay, kakakuha mo ng pace setter status mo this quarter, and then meron kang 2,000 na cumulative, okay, na earnings for this quarter, 25 ka na. So 5 points na lang ang kailangan mo, meron ka na agad trip for one, 'di ba? Ang dali-dali niya, come to think of it. Next one, ito yung pinaka-exciting at yung pinaka madaling gawin natin. Kasi kung ikaw talaga ay nagbe-build, 'di ba? Marami sa atin nagbe-build na talaga, nagsisimula na, marami na akong pay setter, ganyan. Ito yung good news para sa inyo. Because you could get 10 points for every new pace setter created within the quarter. Okay, so kung ako ay milestone bonus 2 pa lang ngayon pero may mga pinaparan din ako kasi nagpe-pay setter din yung apat ko, 'di ba? Kung yung apat ko na yung matapos sila, agad ng pay setter nila, isipin nyo may 40 points na ako. Unlimited yan. Kung meron kang 10, kasi ang galing mo talaga, nagmamanage ka talaga, marami ka talagang mini-mentor, 'di ba? To become also a pay setter and a leader, 'di ba? 100 points sa agad yun. Parang ganun siya. Okay, come to think of it. So, 10 points for every pay setter na makreate ninyo. So, unlimited yan. Last but not the least, ito, sulit na sulit din to. Okay? 2.5 points for every newly sponsored brand partner. So, ibig sabihin nun, magpasok lang tayo na brand partner, okay? And maximum of 6 na direct, meron ka na agad 2.5 each. So, kung 6 yung ipapasok mo, okay, sige nga, kung 6 ang ipapasok ko, ilan ang magiging points ko sa 2.5? 15. Ayan, nasa slide na siya. O, 'di ba? So nakikinig tayo lahat kasi nga trip to Bora to. So there are a lot of areas or point system na pwede nyong kunin. Isipin nyo, dito pa lang sa 2.5, magpasok ka ng 6 this quarter, meron ka ng 15, 15 na lang po problemahin mo, may tinatapos ka na mga pay setter mo. Tapos, syempre, i-income ka kasi yung CP natin, diba, cumulative. So, you really have the greatest chance para dun ka agad sa trip for two. Okay? As much as possible, ang i-goal natin is trip for two. So, you could earn again uulitin ko lang ulit yung sabi kanina na ang i-push natin is yung 3 days, 2 nights natin. Okay? As long as 6 weeks out of the 13 weeks ng quarter, okay, meron tayong commission points. And then also, please take note that the new pay setter na ibibilangin natin for this incentive should only be in the same market. So, hindi natin pwedeng tanggapin na yung ating napapay setter is nasa ibang bansa. Dapat nandito siya sa Philippines. And then the date of completion ng pay setter natin should be within the quarter. Okay? So later on, I know there are questions on the chat box, but we will also answer it afterwards. Meron din tayo mga nakaprepare na frequently asked questions. Sige, next slide tayo. Ayan. So now, 'di ba kanina nga sinabi ni Ma'am Joyce, meron pang opportunity na magkaroon ng pocket money. So ito, para lang ulit sa ating mga silver directors and below, you could get a chance to have $100 na pocket money. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi niya kanina, baka mamaya yung flight nyo masagot or biyahe nyo masagot kasi meron kayong $100. Ang gagawin nyo lang is to make sure that you earn the steadfast builder title, meaning you earn the minimum of 100 CP, okay, for 6 consecutive weeks in a quarter. And meron ka na agad $100. And sure ako, pag nagpa-pay setter ka, 'Di ba? Imposibleng hindi mo magagawa to. So just imagine you have your 3 days, 2 nights stay already in Boracay. Meron ka pang $100 na pocket money. So pwede kayo mag-ikot doon, pwede kayo mag-party, 'di ba? At sa mga gabi, pwede kayo lumabas together with your team. So it's really, really a great incentive for you and your team. Okay? Sige, next slide tayo. And last but not the least for my part, 'di ba? Isa-summarize lang natin ulit yung mga sinabi ko in table form. So again, for those na mga nagre-record ngayon, nagpi-picture as much as possible, please don't upload it on social media. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to raise it to us, but don't upload muna anything on our on your social media as well. So for the summary of our silver directors and below, okay? For tier 1, minimum of 30 points ang kailangan natin para sa trip for 1. Tier 2 naman is trip for 2, minimum of 50 points. So para makuha natin yung $100 na pocket money, kailangan maging steadfast builder income, okay, in a quarter. So kahit na ikaw ay currently naging steadfast na, as long as magka steadfast builder income ka in a quarter, pasok tayo for the pocket money. Next one is for the rank naman, okay? Again, silver directors and below ito, and you have to remain commission qualified all throughout the qualification period. So, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan natin lagi mag-subscribe and save para ma-assure natin yung slot natin in Boracay. Because that is the best behavior that we also want to share with our future leaders and your downlines. Next is achieving the new pay setter status. Again, this is only for the new brand partners. Okay? Ito ang leverage ninyo agad, 5 points. For the every cumulative 500 CP, okay, that's 5 points each. Maximum of 20 points, okay? So, hindi kailangan na, basta ito total yan, yung 13 weeks natin, kung ilan ang magiging CP nyo that time, i-check natin kung ilan yung 500 doon, and yun ang magiging points ninyo. Okay, and then next is for every new pay setter that you sponsor, you get 10 points, and this is unlimited. So kung ikaw ay babangko lang sa pagpapa-pay setter, tapos ka na agad. Basta makalima ka, meron ka na agad na trip for 2. And the new pay setter must be in the same market, like what I mentioned earlier, and date of completion should be within the quarter. Last but not the least, for every personally sponsored brand partner with 200 SP, meron na agad 2.5. So in short, maka-anim na direct ka lang, 15 points ka na kasi maximum tayo ng 15 points dito. Okay, so yan ang meron tayo for our silver directors and below. And syempre, hindi naman pwedeng maiwan. Okay, yung ating mga upline. Kailangan sama-sama tayong pupunta sa Boracay. So now, I would like to give the floor to Ma'am Mitch to explain naman kung ano ba ang ating star mentorship para makasama sa Boracay. Ma'am Mitch?
Thank you, Justine. Mukhang excited ang lahat Naririnig ko yung mga tao dito sa office natin. Medyo nagkakagulo sila. Ayan, no? Maraming nag-cheer. Excited. Guys, wag sana tayo maging excited lang, okay? Sana trabahuin natin. Okay kami na excited tayo, pero sana gawin nating lahat ang makakaya natin para, no? Makapag-travel tayo sa Boracay next year. Naku na, ang gandang experience nito at bagong-bago to sa quarterly growth ng USANA. And I'm very excited because hindi lang po yung mga silver directors and below at mga bagong brand partners natin yung makaka-join sa Boracay. Siyempre, yung mga upline din dyan, yung mga gold directors and above, Ruby dyan, na gustong sumama, no? Sa ating incentive trip or quarterly rising star next year in Boracay. So these are the qualification criteria. So kung ikaw ay gold directors and above, kailangan mong mag-opt-in. Okay? Alam nyo na yan. So kailangan yung mag-opt-in. And then, this is the perfect time no para mag-groom kayo ng inyong mga next in-line leaders, no? Tama si Ma'am Joyce. Ito yung perfect time, no, na i-duplicate ninyo yung inyong business, no? Yung inyong habits of creating or building your USANA business. Ito yung key natin, okay? So, kailangan nyo mag-opt-in. So, kapag nag-opt-in kayo, okay, kailangan ninyong i-nominate kung sino yung specific na brand partner ninyo na magka-qualify for Boracay. Alright? So, kailangan malinaw tayo nun. Opt-in and dapat sigurado kayo kung sino yung mga tutulungan ninyo. Yung magiging project ninyo for this for the fourth and first quarter of the year. Okay. So, you have to help, no? Two brand partners to qualify. It's either one tier 1 and one tier 2 to qualify. Pwedeng dalawang tier 2, pwedeng isang tier 1 at isang tier 2. Bahala na kayo, okay? Basta as long as meron kayong at least isang tier 2 na magka-qualify. So you get to have free no travel, free one packs or free, makakasama kayo, and if ever meron kayong companion, which is the pay to go, pwede, okay? And you are going to have the 3 days and 2 nights hotel accommodations and activity. So makakasama ninyo yung inyong mga brand partners dito sa Boracay. Ayan, so opt-in, no? So next slide. Ang i-share natin ngayon, yung rules, no? So dahil there will be 2 waves of Rising Star Experience trip organized each year, half-yearly basis, yung wave 1 natin ay Q4 to Q1, trip in May, as we have mentioned kanina. The wave 2, the Q2 and Q3, trip in November. Now, if a brand partner qualifies for 2 consecutive quarter, makinig kayong lahat. Huy, makinig kayo, ayan. For 2 consecutive quarter, example, ito munang quarter na to ang mag-focus tayo, Q4 and Q1. The total headcount for the earned trip can be accumulated. Ibig sabihin, no? Ibig sabihin, kapag meron kang tier 1 at tier 2 sa Q1, Q4, tapos meron ka ulit sa Q3 sa Q1 ng 2025, no? Magiging good for 2 ka. Ayan. So, anuhin natin, i-estimate natin. So, if ever may mga questions kayo, this specific rules para sa mga uplines dyan, no? Sa mga uplines dyan, pwede natin, no? I-analyze ng mabuti kung paano tayo. Kunyari, ako, may asawa ako. Gusto kong kasama yung aking husband na hindi ako magpe-pay to go. Syempre sa Q2, syempre dapat meron din kaming qualifier para kasama ko siya, hindi kami magbabayad. Parang ganun lang yon. Napaka-simple, no? As long as you opt in per quarter, tama. So the brand partner, no, with 6 out of 13 weeks earnings is entitled for 3 days and 2 nights. 'Di ba? In the hotel accommodation. No, failure to hit this will result to 2 days and 1 night accommodation only. So, ang i-goal natin always, okay? Ang ilalagay natin sa utak natin at ituturo natin sa ating mga brand partners na magka-qualify ay yung 3 days, 2 nights talaga. Okay. If a brand partner achieves the free for 2 reward, tier 1 and does not have a co-applicant, his or her family members and relatives may attend. Remember, family members, no? Kapag walang co-op, very important that we have to remember. Okay? Family member and relatives may attend. Hindi pwedeng downline, hindi pwedeng upline ang kasama natin dito. And importante, brand partners will be responsible. Kayo po ang magbubook ng inyong airfare going to Boracay. So, dahil very, very achievable itong goals natin na ito in qualifying for the Rising Star. At ibibigay naman namin sa inyo kung kailan yung travel date natin. For sure, ang dami-dami pa, no? Ang dami nating makukuhang very low airfare, no? From Mindanao, from Visayas, from Luzon, makakakuha tayo ng very low airfare, which alam naman natin na magka-qualify tayo kapag intentional yung ating talagang i-goal, kapag intentional tayo to really hit this incentive trip and as well build our Yusana business and earn weekly income, siguradong magbubuk na kayo niyan, no? As early as possible. Okay? So that is for our yan yung ating mga rules na dapat nating tandaan. Ngayon, again, to
Smith,
continue. Yes, to
ano
continue with
lang,
the
meron
rules.
lang tayong mga bago tayo umalis sa Star Mentor, no? Yung balikan lang natin yung Star Mentor. Kailangan daw ba direct? Syempre hindi, guys. Alam naman natin, 'di ba? Yung ating mentorship program. Basta kalinya mo, hindi pwedeng cross-line at hindi pwedeng double sa isang mentee, no? Isa lang yung dapat mong manominate or I mean, hindi pwedeng doble. Okay? So kailangan
Ah,
pick. Yan.
yes.
Yun lang, baka
So
lang
kung
makakaligtaan.
Oo. So kung ikaw talaga nagme-mentor dun sa hindi mo naman siya direct, no? Pero ikaw talaga yung mga nagme-mentor doon, ikaw nag-guide doon, i-ano mo na, i-nominate mo na. Okay? I-nominate mo na. Basta pag-usapan ng maayos, no, dun sa kanyang direct sponsor. Okay? Children age 6 years old and above are allowed to attend. So we do not encourage, no, yung mga 5 years old and below na sumama dito. Qualifiers, upline, downline, and other guests are not allowed to attend. As what I have mentioned, okay? As what I have mentioned kanina, ang a-attend lang as pay to go or co-op or companion if trip for two ay family member or relative. Alright, trip is not convertible to cash and this is non-transferable. And for sure, always naman to must be commission qualified until the time of trip. Lahat ng nagka-qualify, kailangan commission eligible. And the brand partner should be silver and below for para mag-qualify sila. Okay, silver and below. Iba yung sa Star Mentor, iba din tong sa pagka-qualify for the Rising Star. Alright. So, meron tayong for sure mga frequently asked questions, no? Kanina may mga nakikita na akong nagta-type dito ng mga questions nila, no? And please park muna yung mga questions natin dyan because we're going to discuss, no, some of the questions that you might have in mind. Okay? You might have in mind. No, baka masagot natin dito. Unang question. Ayan. Unang question. Ang ating first question ay, next slide please, I advanced to gold during the fourth quarter. So, silver ka ngayon, tapos during the fourth quarter of 2025, ay nag-rank advance ka to gold. No, hindi namin kayo pipigilan na mag-rank advance, guys. Am I eligible to run for the first quarter qualification for 2026? What do you think is the answer? Ayan. What do you think is the answer? Hala, ayun. Yes. Tama, ang talino ng ating mga brand partners. Yes. No, since the travel is still in May, no, you're still eligible to join the second period for Boracay. All right. So,
Pagdating ng
yun, malinaw.
wave 2, Sis Mitch, no? Yung
Mm.
sa November na
Mhm.
travel, huwag kayong mag-alala kahit mag-rank advance ka to Gold Director. Kasi meron ka pa
Pwede.
ibang trip, no? Meron na naman tayo i-announce pagkatas ng leadership summit natin. So huwag kayong mag-alala, makakasama kayo doon. No? And I'm sure mas gusto niyo yon kasi international yon. Okay? So,
Yes.
ano ka doon, gold and above. Okay,
Oo,
yan.
wag ka mag-worry kung, oh my God, na gold and above ako. Wag ka mag-worry. Dapat nga ginugol mo din ang maging gold and above kayo if you are silver and below, no? So, wag niyo munang masyadong isipin. Do not hold kung talagang kaya na ng organization ninyo at gustong buong-buo na ang loob ninyo na mag-gold director kayo, go ahead or mag-rank advance, go ahead po as long as kaya, no? Kaya ng organization. Next question. Can I still join the second wave if I advance to gold director during the first wave? What do you think is the answer? Okay, ano sa tingin nyo ang answer? Ay, ang tatalino talaga. No, no. The brand partner should be silver and below for the wave they are qualifying for. Okay? So, kailangan at the start of the contest, no, kung ano yung rank mo, dun tayo. Okay? Ano yung rank mo, dun tayo. Pero, kapag nag-rank advance ka, okay lang yon. Kapag sa second wave, syempre dun ka na sa star mentor. Kapag nag-gold ka na. O, 'di ba? So, yun, malinaw yon. Next question. Question number 3. I achieved 30 points, no, but did not earn for 6 out of 13 weeks. What is my price? Naku naman, grabe ka naman. Ayan, ayan. At I did not earn any points. So the answer is free 1 day, overnight lang ito. Okay? Free for 2 days and 1 night. So bakit ka ba nagyuyusana kung hindi ka man lang nag-i-income ng 6 out of 13? O, 'di ba? So, ka-questionin mo 'yan, no? Hindi pwede na nagyuyusana ka na hindi ka nag-i-income. So, ibig sabihin, magsasayang ka lang ng oras sa Boracay. Dahil, paggising mo the following day, uuwi ka na kaagad, no? So, always, we have to goal, income, no? always income at ang na-mention ni Miss Joyce kanina at lagi naming sinasabi, the incentive trip or itong Boracay na ito is only the icing on the cake. The real goal is for you to build your business and kailangan nag-i-income ka every week. Yun ang goal. Alright? So next question. Question number 4. I have 4 new pay setter. 3 from PH Market and 1 from Singapore. How many points do I have? 30. Oh, ang tatalino talaga, no? 30 points. Tama. No, we do not count the new pay setter from other markets except PH. So we accept the fact na meron kayong international market. Okay lang yon. Pero for the purpose of this contest, yung mga enrollment or yung mga pay setter ninyo sa Philippines lang ang ika-count natin. Huwag niyong pipigilan ng sarili niyo mag-expand sa ibang market. Okay lang yon. Okay? So next question. Question number 5. Ang question number 5, my new brand partner enrolled last September 15. She completed her pay setter status on October 24. Is she counted for my qualification? Of course, no? The answer is yes. No? Lahat ng makukomplete na requirement sa pay setter starting September 27 ng 2 p.m. counted na lahat 'yon. Okay? Counted na lahat 'yon. So
So, Sis Mitch, kaya natin to sinasabi, no? Kasi balikan nyo guys, yung mga na-enroll nyo the past 2 months. No? Yung mga pwede pang mag-pay setter ngayon kasi counted pa rin siya basta ang ma-complete niya yung qualification this quarter. Okay? And kahit na yung mga downline nila is US account, basta siya naging pay setter, PH account siya, pasok yun sa'yo. Okay? Basta
mm-mm.
PH account siya. Yan.
Okay, thank you, Miss Joyce. So lahat yan, no? Kung maaga man siyang naging pay setter, mas okay. Kasi mas makakount ka agad siya, no? Kung bibilisan natin ang pag-complete ng requirements. Mas maaga siya makakatanggap ng matching bonus niya, yung kanyang mga MB 1, 2, and 3, no? So, at makakount ka agad siya dito sa ating Boracay na qualification. Question number 6. CP count. Eto na, no? Commission points count, December 12, meron siyang 100. December 19, meron siyang 200. 26, 100, 100, 100, 100. Ibig sabihin, no, kung steadfast ba siya, no? Kung steadfast, etong ano na ito, ang question na ito, steadfast, naging ano ba ako, steadfast earner ba ako or kasama ba itong lahat ng lahat ng months na to na nag-earn ka, kasama ba siya, counted ba siya? The answer is no. Kasi yung steadfast natin, 'di ba, should be within the quarter. Kung mag-earn ka ng 6 consecutive weeks, okay? 6 consecutive weeks na 100, okay, the 100 points or 100 CV, it should be within the quarter. So quarter 4, meron kang 6 weeks na nag 100 points ka consecutive week, kasama yun sa quarter 4. And then, next quarter ulit, meron kang 6 weeks na nag 100 and above ka, kasama ulit yun sa specific quarter. Etong scenario na to, hindi po siya kasama dun sa steadfast na sinasabi natin dahil nahati. Okay? Meron siyang 3 linggo sa quarter 4 at meron siyang 3 linggo sa quarter 1. So you have to be conscious also sa timing ng inyong steadfast. Okay? So malinaw. Within the quarter, kailangan pumasok yung inyong pagiging consistent. Dapat every week consistent. Every quarter, every week consistent. Para hindi na malito, di ba? Number 7, sa Star Mentor, I created a Tier 2 qualifier for 4th quarter. Si Mentor ito, si Gold Director and above. Naka-create siya ng isang Tier 2 qualifier ngayong quarter. I have another qualifier, Tier 1 for first quarter in 2026. Am I qualified for Trip for 1? The answer to that is no. Okay? hindi po siya qualified. Why? Because remember, ang ating rules ay per quarter. So lahat ng requirements, each quarter dapat pumasok sa isang quarter. Hindi po pwedeng ipunin natin. Hindi po natin pwedeng ipunin Q1, meron tayong isang qualifier. Q2, meron tayong dalawang tier 2 na qualifier. In total, makakasama ka. Hindi po ganun yon. So, katulad ng na-mention ko kanina sa Steadfast, kung meron kayong qualifier, Tier 1 at Tier 2, kailangan pasok siya within the quarter. Okay?
Tsaka sis,
Ayan.
wala na ibang combination ha. Yung kunwari, tatlong tier 1, ang
Ah,
kailangan
wala.
natin ha, either dalawang tier 2 para madali na i-explain or isang tier 1 at isang tier 2. Ganun lang. So kahit na
Yes.
combine mo limang tier 1, wala pa rin, hindi ka pa rin kasali.
Mm-mm.
Dapat may tier 2 ka.
Oo.
Yung
Hindi
dalawa.
po yun, hindi po
Yes.
ganon, naiipunin. Mas maganda para mas marami kayo sa Boracay, idalawang tier 2 mo na yan. Para sure.
Para
Okay?
kasama yung mga asawa nila guys, di ba?
Oo,
So,
isama nyo
tier
naman
2
yung mga
muna.
asawa. Huwag naman nating iiwan. Okay? So next, last question. Question number 8 sa Star Mentor pa rin. I have created two tier 2 for each quarter. Am I entitled for trip for two? The answer is of course, yes. Ito na yung sinasabi natin kanina, 'di ba? So kapag ang minimum requirement natin ay isang tier 1 at isang tier 2. Pero kapag nakadalawang tier 2 ka, of course kasama ka. So you can accumulate headcount per quarter provided you have completed requirement for each quarter. Remember, per quarter tayo. Hindi pwedeng, ay ma'am, ha, yung sa first week po ng December, sa first week po ng January nag-qualify yung aking yung aking ang aking brand partner. Hindi po 'yon, hindi na po siya pasok. No, kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay per quarter. All right?
Pasok ang
So,
mga misis, no? Mga
so
Coach Neil.
Si Coach Neil Gabutan ay isasama niya definitely si Ma'am Phoebe. Okay?
Or,
So, ganon. Perfect. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating mga frequently asked questions. So far naman po, okay? So far naman po, meron pa bang questions dyan in mind, no, na hindi pa. Pero before that, okay, before that, because you all have an opportunity, no, to ask questions sa inyong mga market development managers, si Justine, si Annalen, yours truly, and of course, our customer service representative. Lahat po yan pwede niyong pagtanungan. Okay? Lahat po yan pwede niyong pagtanungan. Ilan max na pwede i-nominate daw, Miss Joyce? Dalawa lang ba or pwede niyang i-shoot lahat? Apat, lima?
kapag ka binuksan niyo yung form, 8. Okay? So,
Ah, okay, on.
8 yung pwede niyong ilagay na ID
Nominate.
number.
Okay. So, before we move on to yung mga questions niyo, no, sasagutin namin sila sa chat, let us move on. Okay? Let us move on. Alam kong excited kayo. Let us move on sa ating regional convention.
Teka
Okay?
lang,
And
sis
this is,
Mitch. Grabe,
ah,
may tatlo na nakapag-nominate sa Star Mentor. Grabe ang bibilis nyo, guys, no? Meron ng tatlo dito sa ating form, no, na nag-nominate.
perfect.
Yan.
Sana naman no matuloy yung mga pagka-qualify nila. Very good kayo, very good. Kasi ibig
Okay.
sabihin yan, intentional ang kanilang pagka-qualify. 'Di
Sige.
ba?
Bago tayo dumating sa regional convention, sagutin
Ah,
muna
ah.
natin ito. What if naka-earn ng 100 points in one quarter? Qualified po ba sila for dalawang tier 2 in that quarter? If so, ikaw nga si Mitch, hindi ko masyadong maintindihan. Naka-earn ng 100 points in one quarter. You mean 50? So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang 50 over, maximum
Ah,
50. Okay, maximum po ang 50. Yan, kahit
hindi
na
po.
meron kang 10 pay setter, maximum na po yung 50.
Opo.
Okay,
Opo.
yan.
Hindi po siya hindi po siya mag-a-add-add.
Maximum trip per 4 tayo. So, dalawa lang po yung ceiling ng trip ng quarter 4 and quarter 1, tig dalawa lang po yan.
Sobrang
Grabe na
galing
po
daw,
yun. Ano yung
sobrang
mutant
galing
yun?
daw.
Oh,
Oo,
again,
'di
'di
ba?
ba? Kasi gusto natin tamang pagbi-build. No, wag kayong
Hmm.
mag-team up, step up mode, guys, ha. Ano tayo? Doon tayo sa pay setter, sponsor, no? Kahit na ikaw lang makasama, basta makasama ka sa travel, malaking bagay na 'yan, 'di ba? Sa organization nyo. 'Yan.
Mm-mm.
Pwede ba mag-qualify dun sa pocket money? Yes. So, kumbaga, ang trip, quarter 1 mo, or quarter 4 mo, nag 600 ka. 100 times 6. Sa quarter 2 or first quarter, nag-steadfast builder income ka na naman. Ibig sabihin, $200 ang pera mo. Okay,
Ay,
grabe,
wow.
ganun katindi, no? Kasi per quarter to, guys. Okay?
Adi,
So,
libre na yung plane ticket nila, di ba,
kaya,
Miss
kaya nga,
Joyce,
di
kung
ba, kaya
ganon.
sabi natin, pwede nyong ilibre yung ticket. At ang matindi na, umincome ka, guys. So, hindi mo lang yan basta nakuha, umincome ka, nag $600 ka. No, yun yung malupit doon. Okay, yan. So, meron pa bang mga tanong? Ayan, mga tanong-tanong. For every new brand partner sponsored, may minimum, at least nag-activate naman. Okay?
200 points.
Oh, nag 200 points within the quarter. Hindi naman pwedeng nag-isang sales sessions lang counted na, hindi po ganun. Okay? At least nag-activate
Mm-mm.
ng business center. Ayan. BP po, not PC. Okay?
Yes.
BP po tayo. Hindi po PC. Okay? Wala na po sa vocabulary natin yung mga PC na yan. Okay? Brand partner po tayo ngayon. Ayan. Pwede po accumulated within the quarter. Yes. Basta within that quarter mo, na-activate, pasok yung 2.5 points agad yon para sa new brand partner mo. So kung new pay setter ka, di ba nagraran ka ng pay setter, 4 ang kailangan mo. So meron ka na doon agad 10 points kasi 2.5, di ba, times 4, 10 points na kaagad yon pag na-complete mo yung pay setter mo at nag 5 points ka pa, so 15 points na kaagad yon, i-income ka na lang. Di ba? Ang galing. Yan. Dun sa minimum 500 points, yes, included ang new sales bonus, lahat ng CP. Okay? Lahat ng matatawag mong CP, kasama po yon sa bangga ng legs, new sales bonus. Yan, dun tayo mga nakakuha ng CP. Yung mga steadfast builder, okay lang ang may pocket money. Okay? So, tama naman. What if si Star Mentor? Ba, dumadaming tanong nakapag-isip na. What if si Star Mentor sa isang quarter, meron siyang brand partner na dalawang tier 2 and dalawang tier 1. Good for ilang packs si Star Mentor. Basta sa isang quarter, ang maximum ng isang mentor ay 1 packs. Okay? So, walang labis, walang kulang. Kahit na 10 tier 1 or 10 tier 2 yan, maximum 1 ang pwede mong i-earn. Okay? Yung tickets po ba, free na din para mas lalo ma-excite ang mga new BP. Tickets sa Boracay ay hindi. Okay? So, yun yung ano natin. Kaya nga dapat mag-earn tayo ng consistent para meron kang pocket money. At least may 5,000 ka, di ba? Pang airfare mo. Yan. For silver and below po, yung 3 days, 2 nights na earn 6 weeks. Tama. So, kahit na hindi ka steadfast builder, okay? Ito, linawin natin, no? Again, sabi ko nga, kahit na umincome ka lang ng magkano, basta 6 times out of 13, 3 days, 2 nights ka na kaagad, no? Provided may income ka. Okay? Kapag ka steadfast builder ka pa na income 100 times 6, dun ka pa magkaka $100. Oh, yon. 'Di ba? Clear na ba? So, sa totoong buhay, pamigay na yung 3 days, 2 nights. 'Di ba? Umincome ka lang ng 6 times within 13 weeks. Kalahati ng 13 weeks. Okay. Ma'am, what if yung BP nakakuha ng 3 for 4? Unang quarter, naka-achieve ng steadfast, tapos next naman, hindi na niya na-hit yung SB. Okay, again, yung number of nights, 'di ba, ay dependent sa number of times kang mag-earn, hindi sa steadfast builder. Yung steadfast builder, tandaan nyo, pocket money siya. Okay, yung pocket money earnings ng steadfast builder 100 times 6 is for the pocket money. Pero kapag ka may income ka, as long as 6 out of 13, 3 days, 2 nights ka pa din. Okay? So, paano, eto may tanong ako. Okay? Sa first quarter, hindi ka naka 50 points ka. Kunwari, trip for 2. Pero, kapos yung income mo. 5 out of 13 lang. Diba? So, overnight lang yon 3 for 2. Sa second quarter, ginalingan mo. Diba? Nag 6 out of 13 ka. Nag 3 for 1 ka. So, how many nights kang qualified? Okay. So, syempre, ma-generous ang iyo sana, no? As long as nakuha mo, no, yung 6 out of 13 in any quarter, 3 days, 2 nights ka na. Okay? Kahit na hindi mo na-hit yung first quarter mong 6 out of 13. Di ba? Ang lupit. No, kaya ako sa inyo, basta may chance lang kayo mag-earn ng 6 out of 13, gawin nyo na. Ayan. So, ma'am, nag-join yung BP before qualification period sa nag-hit ng PS. Hindi na counted yun. Hindi na siya counted sa PS mo. Kasi bago nag-qualification period, nag-pay setter na siya. Pag hindi pa siya nagpe-pay setter, pag ngayon pa lang siya magpe-pay setter, counted siya kahit last month mo pa siya na-enroll. Okay. Ma'am, let's say nag-trip kami ng 1, ngayong 4th, then sa first quarter next year, mamimiss namin. Pwede po ba hindi i-avail? Hindi, okay? So, hindi siya transferable, no? Hindi nyo na pwedeng i-run yung second quarter. Okay. Ibang wave na yon. Basta per wave lang tayo. Okay? Wala nang mga ganong tanong. I-hit muna natin yung quarter 4 and quarter 1 next year. Okay. Food po sa Boracay kasama. Siguro, hindi. Siyempre, no? Ano yan? Kumpleto yan. Alam mo naman tayo, Michi, pag nagpa-travel, di ba? Ultimo yung ano, di ba? Yung breakfast, buffet yan. Yung lunch, bibigyan namin kayo ng money para makapag-Jonis, ano, milkshake, at saka makapag 2 seasons na mga pizza. Sa gabi, buffet pa rin yan. Yan. Okay? So siguro naman, dahil sa pagkain, no, sabi ni Caleb, magbaon ka ng Nutri-Meal. Ayan, kasama food. Ayan, 2 nights. Okay. Paysetter po. Hindi mo kailangan mag-finalize. Iba sa paysetter rule nating bago, as long as matapos mo yung requirement this week, next week payout ka na kagad ng paysetter bonus. Tama? No? Paysetter ka na kagad next week pa lang. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-antay ng 30 days, no? Yung mga whichever is higher, wala nang ganon. Okay, as long as makumpleto mo yung last subscribe and save ng downline mo at 1.6 yan at 4 yan, di ba? Pay setter ka na. Okay. Ang dami naman tanong. Uy, meron pang isa ha. Sa Henan Resort, masarap po ang food, tapos buffet pa. Ang sarap ng new summer vacation mo. Okay, again, hindi lang to para sa mga bago. Kahit po kayo na nanonood dito, silver and below, kasama ka. Huwag mo lang isipin yung mga bago, no? So, swerte sila pagka sumali sila dito kasi travel incentive agad. Pero ikaw na nagbi-build ka na, no? Lagi kang nasa 9th floor o nasa Cebu office or sa Davao office, pagkakataon mo nang mag-travel din. Okay. Quarter 4, 2025, 3 days, 2 nights siya, trip for 2. Sa quarter 1, 2026, naka 2 days, 1 night lang siya sa trip for 1. E di, ano siya, trip for 3. Trip for 3 siya. Diba, Shawe? Tama ba? Quarter 4, kasi ang titignan natin doon yung kung kailan ka naka 3 days, 2 nights. So, i-honor na natin yon. Pero, di ba, bakit ka naman magmimintis ng income, no, ng 6 out of 12? Okay. 3 days na yon, no? 2 nights. Sa Henan Resort, ayan, ang bet ko is yung energy ng team. Yan, okay. So guys, ayan na, alam nyo na yung gagawin. Again, no, ngayon hanggang bukas, i-internalize yung mechanics. Ibibigay po namin to sa inyo, yung ating mga materials. Huwag nyo pong ipopost sa social media. Okay, again, sabi ko nga, no, tayo lang sa Pilipinas. So kung meron kang ka-team sa Singapore, okay, kung sila overnight lang, dito sa atin, Boracay, no, 3 days, 2 nights. Huwag nyo na silang painggitin, okay? Tayo lang. So, ma'am, tama ako nang intindi, kahit bagong enroll na brand partner. Yes, basta ngayon nag-PS, regardless of the enrollment. Okay, so yan yung mga crossover na pwede na pay setter. So, kunwari, quarter 4, na-enroll mo siya. Sa quarter 1 siya next year, nag-pay setter, pasok siya sa next quarter mo. Okay? Yan, tama. Basta kung kailan naka-earn ka ng milestone bonus 3. Yun yung quarter na yon. Okay? So, meron tayong transfers, no? Syempre hanggang airport, may pa-transfer naman tayo. Alangan mag-tricycle kayo hanggang Henan. So meron na tayo from the port, no? Meron na kayong sundo. Okay, ganun naman ang Yusana. 'Di ba, guys? Di mo namin kayo pagta-tricyclein. Tsaka pag-aanohin, mga pabangka-bangka. Okay? Ayan. So, bago ang lahat, no, bago kayo ma-excite, for sure, mag-aakyatan kayo sa Malaysia. I will pass the time to Noy, our pharmacist, okay, for some more
Hello.
announcements.
Thank you, Ma'am Joyce. Hello, everyone. Good evening. So I'll just share my screen. And okay. So this is just a glimpse, no? Ano yung mangyayari sa regional convention sa Malaysia po tayo. So ito. Present. Ayan. Now, there's so many exciting news ahead of us, no? And one of this is the USANA Regional Convention happening in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And of course, isa sa mga activities na nilulook forward natin is to become a regional wellness coach. Yung program po natin na wellness coach. So, ito po, you'll get this is your chance to learn winning strategies from top leaders, be inspired by amazing USANA transformations, gain practical skills to grow your wellness business, and connect with fellow brand partners from across the region. So this is happening on January 28. Yung Become a Regional Wellness Coach program po. So January 28 will be the Wellness Coach program. So if a-attend kayo nito, then you will become a USANA Regional Wellness Coach. Ayan. Then on the 29th, Gala Night and Expo, and for 30 and 31, the proper convention. So our one and only, no, Francis Kong will be one of our speakers. So mangyayari po yung leadership trainings, no, there sa convention po. And of course, no, if a-attend kayo ng convention, of course, meron tayong perks, no? Ano yung perks natin? Ano yung pa-promo natin if you buy your regional convention ticket on or before October 17? So you'll get a chance to enjoy 40% on bestsellers. Ano ba itong mga bestsellers? Ito yung Proflavanol C100, Biomega, no? The special price will be 3,200 instead of 5,350. So you'll get to save 2,150. And option 2 is the resurfacing serum. Now, instead of 5,500, the special price, if you buy the regional convention ticket on or before October 17, it will be 3,300. Now, imagine, no, meron kayong savings of 2,200. So let's explain further, no? So who can avail this promo? So you must have a USANA 2026 regional convention ticket under your brand partner ID purchased on or before October 17, 2025, only for brand partners residing in Hong Kong, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Taiwan. So what's the promo? So you'll get 40% off on bestsellers. So you have two options, pack one, that is one Proflavanol C100 and one Biomega. Now, instead of 5,350, the special price will be 3,250, 200. So you'll get to save 2,150. Now, option 2, no, or the pack 2 will be the Celavive Resurfacing Serum. So, the original price, alam naman natin na 5,500 yan. Now, the special price will be 3,300. So, you'll get to save 2,200. So, how to order, no? You purchase period, no? If you purchase the USANA Regional 2026 USANA Regional Wellness Coach, this promo is these packs are available from September 29 up until October 24. So order via email to customer service or tawagin yung customer service natin. So you can buy up to 2 packs. So this is just limited to 2 packs in any combination per brand partner ID. So important rules, no? Gentle reminder that packs are not available for initial order or subscribe and save. It cannot be combined with other promos, discounts, or vouchers. Now, orders must be collected or delivered within 14 days from order date. Then packs are non-refundable and non-exchangeable. Now, USANA, no, can change rules anytime and their decision is final. So, ito po yung perks natin if we buy the regional convention ticket on or before October 17. Ayan, yan yung special announcement.
Ayan na guys, sinabi on or before. So ngayon pa lang pwede ka nang bumili niyan. Hindi mo na
Yes.
kailangan mag-antay ng October 17. So thank you so much
Thank
Noy,
you.
no, for sharing that. And right now kung wala na kayong tanong, no, about doon sa ating paboracay. Okay, again, wag niyo pong i-hashtag yung 3 days 2 nights. Doon tayo sa Boracay, no? Ang hashtag natin, no, please join our market development director si Chi Hong, no, para ma-reveal naman sino yung mga a-awardan sa Malaysia. So with that, maraming salamat po. Lipat tayo sa Malaysia Facebook. Again, magi-schedule po ang ating mga market development manager, si Mitch, si Annalen, si Justin, no, maggagasgas sa lamunan gang na naman tayong lahat para lang po, no, maintindihan natin, no, yung ating mga mechanics. Okay, so maraming salamat. Build our business right, build our business strong, and you will be rewarded. Okay, tama na, no, yung naghahanap tayo lang ng mga customer, masaya ka na sa retail income. Gusto natin, no, talagang solid, USANA business ang ating ma-build moving forward. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.
Record.